Pepper, what do you have?
Lots of candy.
Come here and bring it here.
I picked that back.
The Barrett wanted to pick it for the Easter bunny.
I got lipstick.
Chocolate. Is that a scrambled egg? Cool. What is that? You got a cool looking bathing suit, dude. You got your own goggles?
I think he decided to fill my basket with that.
And chocolate? Lots of chocolate? Oh, chocolate. You gonna share that with Mom?
Yeah, look, he decided to stuff my basket with underwear. I got some of these.
Alright. That's good.
Yeah, he decided to stuff my
We have Caden's bucket.
He left it at Easter yesterday.
Madison.
Got one more pair of undies.
Adelaide got a bath.